Hello all you super geniuses out there. Welcome to another video lecture from Super Genius 99. And today we're going to be doing some more solving inequalities. Okay, in today's inequality, let's get right into it. 7y minus 8 is less than 4y plus 7. Okay, so when you solve an inequality, you solve it in the same way you would solve an equation, just a few different rules, but just kind of solve it like you'd solve an equation. So get all your variables on one side and then get everything else on the other side. So here I have a 7y and I have a 4y, and I like to bring all my variables to the left-hand side, so I'm going to subtract a 4y from both sides. So 4y minus 4y is nada. And 7y minus 4y is 3y. Bring everything else down. Okay. Then you're going to put all your numbers on the right-hand side. Okay, so how do you successfully move over a minus 8? Yeah, opposite operation, so you're going to add. What number are you going to add? Yeah, you're going to add 8. 8 to both sides. Remember, when it comes to equations and inequalities, whatever you do to one side, make sure you do it to the other side. Okay, so we added 8 to both sides. So minus 8 plus 8. Once again, that's nada. And then what is 7 plus 8? Yes, 15. Okay, so we have 3y. It's less than 15. Okay, how do we get y by itself? So this is 3 times y, so opposite operation. So what's the opposite of multiplication? Yes, division, so divide by what? Yes, divide both sides by 3. So 3y minus 3, how much is that? That is y by itself. And 15 divided by 3, how much is that? Okay, so we have y is less than 5, so let's write that out in the different notations. So you have y less than 5, let's rewrite that. Okay, and then you have your set notation. So let's write the set notation. So we want to represent all the numbers that are less than 5, not including 5. Okay, there's your set notation, and then let's graph that bad boy. So how would you graph y less than 5? Draw yourself a number line. Somewhere in there, put the number 5. And then shade what is less than 5. So you could use an open circle, arrow, and shade. Okay, and there we have it. Let's look at another one. Okay, here's our next one. X divided by negative 3 is equal to 9. Oh, sorry. Let me put that, let me change that to a inequality. So x divided by 3 is greater than 9. There's our inequality. Okay, so now let's solve for that. So you solve this similar to how you would a equality. So we want to get x by itself. So in order to get x by itself, we have to do what? So this is x divided by 3, and when you're when you're operating on equations, you always do the inverse operation, or really you can call it opposite operation, but the inverse. So what's the inverse of a division here? Since it's x divided by 3, what's the inverse of division? Multiplication. Okay, so you're going to multiply. And take a wild guess what number you're going to multiply by. There's only 3 numbers up there, right? X, -3, and 9. Which one are you going to multiply by? Yes, -3, because that's the one we're trying to move over to get x by itself. So we're multiplying both sides of this inequality by -3. So x divided by -3 multiplied by -3, what happens there? Those two cancel each other out. So you're left with an x. And then what's 9 times 3? Yes, you can use your fingers. -27, okay. Okay, what did I do wrong there? Yeah, that inequality is not facing the right direction. Why is it not the right direction? Because anytime you multiply or divide by negative numbers, what happens to your inequality? It changes direction. So it was going this way, now it needs to go that way. Okay. So x is less than -27, and that's all for that one. Now let's go ahead and do our different representations of the answer. So we have x less than -27. Okay, and then we can do a set notation of that. So you got -infinity, comma, -27. Remember, infinity is a number. It's just a concept that a number is heading in that direction. So that means we're heading in the direction. We can keep on going in negative numbers until we get tired, and it'll still be a solution to this problem. Okay. So that's our set notation, and let's graph this. So we got a number line, -27, somewhere on that number line. Okay, open circle or closed circle. Open because it's, right, less than. And then what do? Yeah, draw yourself an arrow in the direction that's, what, less than. See, why didn't the arrow point this one? Because this would be greater than 27. We want less than 27. And do not fill in the circle. If it was less than or equal to, we would fill in the circle. Okay, well, hope these videos help. It's been another video lecture from Super Genius 99, and thank you for watching.